This year marks 50 years since Volkswagen revealed their GTI prototype at the Frankfurt Motor Show in 1975. 2025 is also the year we unveil our own prototype, the magazine we wanted to read, a magazine that we are now proud to share. It's a premium slant on the world of water-cooled Volkswagens, taking the shape of an elegantly bound book-like quarterly magazine. Well, VW Type is, in many ways, similar to the prototype from the Motor Show on September the 11th, 1975. A project that was given the official go-ahead on May 28th of that year, with a projected production run of 5,000. Interestingly, our advanced copies of VW Type arrived, delayed by a few weeks, at 11:20 on Wednesday, May the 28th. Purely coincidental, but what a synergy, such a tangible link to the company we so passionately celebrate through the pages of this magazine. The production version of VW Type will be printed on the premium Italian eco-graphics paper Magno volume. And just like the original GTI, Italian penned, thoughtfully engineered, high-valued, unrivaled finished, full-bodied, yet lightweight. A simple yet well-appointed interior, the magazine is typefaced in Super and Maru from the foundry of Grilli Type in Switzerland. 164 pages with 18 features, from double-page spreads to in-depth stories that run close to 30 pages long. Divided into 4 sections: forward, features, projects and endnotes. You'll find projects focused on fabrication, engine rebuilds, wiring and paintwork. Looking elsewhere, cars that challenge the Volkswagen formula. Lasting impressions, a look at some of the trends that have helped shape and divide opinion over time. With a Volkswagen, a moment in time captured through the lens of a Volkswagen. And to think, it all started with an idea, a what if, a blank piece of paper. Just like the head of Volkswagen's press office, Anton Conrad, and Volkswagen's test engineer, Alphonse Luthenberg, who together believed there was a genuine market for a sports edition of the then newly launched Golf, we too now firmly believe there's a rising market for a premium magazine dedicated to everything they and their tight-knit team dreamed of back in the 1970s. This is VW Type. Life with Volkswagens.